Hey everybody, it's Jess, and yes, I am back. So this video is pretty important to me because this is the first time I'm going to share with you and the rest of the world a little bit about my personal story. There was a time where I was a little bit too embarrassed to talk about this sort of thing, but now I feel like it's time to just put it out there. That will give you a better understanding of why I have this channel called Recovery Through Adventure and why I talk about the things that I talk about. So in this video, I took a trip out to a pretty cool rock formation that's in my local area. Turns out several months ago, a very famous artist came out here and filmed a music video there. So I thought I'd go out there and check it out for myself. This is a relatively short video, but it contains some very deeply personal information about myself, but will help you understand this channel a little bit better. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Recovery Through Adventure. I'm Jess, and this is a place where I share my thoughts, tips, and ideas relating to outdoor adventures. With a strong emphasis on mental health, I hope to encourage more people to step outside of their comfort zones and seek meaningful and memorable experiences in everyday life. So join me now on today's adventure.
Hello to all my friends on YouTube. Welcome to 2020. Now, I know some of you have been wondering, where the heck has she been? Well, I'm going to be honest with you. Over the holidays, I've been doing a lot of contemplating if I want to continue this channel and is it actually worth it for me to do. The conclusion that I came to is it's definitely worth it. I'm going to keep doing this channel. The reasons why, it is my passion to inspire and motivate people to get outside and take care of their mental health and their overall well-being. Now, one thing that I have not done on this channel a lot is talk about myself. Now, I received a few friendly nudges from viewers to share what I'm talking about when I use the word recovery and how it pertains to me on a personal level. Now, my personal story has never been a secret, but my audience is still pretty small. So I really wanted to wait until the timing was right. But I think that sharing my story is important so that you, as a viewer, have more context when it comes to the content that I'm sharing. Right now, I'm going to give you a little down and dirty about my background and my personal experience with recovery. I will go into detail in a future video. But first, a little bit about my background. So I am a retired United States Marine. I served on active duty for just over 20 years, and I retired with an honorable discharge 10 years ago. I am an OIF veteran, and I deployed for just over a year to the Iraq Theater of Operations, specifically Camp Fallujah. Now, the reason that I am talking about recovery and why it's important to me is because I have dealt personally with a lot of depression and alcohol addiction issues for about a period of 10 years. That was the key reason, a lot of people don't know this, why I actually retired from my beloved Marine Corps. But nearly 6 years ago, I finally got sober, and that is when my life started to turn around completely. Now, the goal of this channel is not to talk about alcohol or substance use disorder. The goal of this channel is to be a light of hope for a better life. It's about caring about our mental well-being and about becoming more self-aware and connected to our world. Essentially, it applies to everybody. So what about the adventure aspect? For me, seeking adventures have been and continue to be paramount in taking care of my own mental health. This is what helps keep me sober and connected to life and the things and the people that I truly care about. So if you're still here watching and you think that these type of videos are for you, please stay tuned. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and click that little bell icon, and then you're going to be notified of when I post something new. I have a lot of new adventures planned for this year, and my theme for this year is enthusiasm. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to talk about how I am learning, note present tense, learning how to have high energy and enthusiasm every single day. Until next time, I'm wishing you a great year, wishing you a life of happiness, a life of health, and lots of adventure. We'll see you next time.